In this video, we will talk about how to sell photos online and make money. Now, you don't need to be a professional photographer to make money selling photos online. You can be an amateur photographer with the dream of making a living with your hobby of photography, and this video can help you get started. Now, if you are decently good, understand photography, and have a phone with a decent camera or a DSLR, you can still make money with these ideas I'm going to discuss in just a bit. Now, we will go over everything you need to know about how to sell photos online and make money. So stay with me till the end, because if you do, you can immediately start taking the steps and start making money in the coming weeks. Now, the first thing first, what kind of photos are we talking about? So you can take photos of literally anything. So when we talk about stock photos, you're talking about anything that is object, places, room, plants, animals, clothes, nature, yourself, etc. It could just literally be a photo of anything. It could be a setup of your office as well. Now, stock photography is essentially a large bank of images that businesses can purchase a license for use. When they purchase, you get a commission through the website that you are using.